Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jazmine, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look, talking you through my very easy, simple, quick makeup look. I always do this look. It's very simple, very quick for the summertime. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. See, real quick intro. That was 31 seconds, period. So let's go ahead and get started with this makeup routine. First, I am going to start on a clean face, and I'm going to prime my face with the TATCHA primer. This is my least favorite primer, honestly. I don't really care for it, but I ran out of my Milk Hydro Grip. That is my go-to primer. So I have this primer. I only used it twice. I decided to use it again. It actually was not bad. Maybe before I had like a skin problem, I don't know, but anyway, I'm using this primer today. I'm just going to put it all over my face and let it sit. I'm also going to spray my face with the Revolution Pro Base Fix, and then I'm going to do my brows, and you don't need to see this, so voila, they're done. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundations. I mixed two. I mixed MARQUISES as well as MACAO. MARQUISES is a little too red for me, and MACAO is too gold for me. So I'm in the middle of those two shades. So I just mix both of them, and I use a beauty blender to blend it out. Everything that I am mentioning will be linked or at least listed down below, so you'll know the products that I'm using for your convenience. So check the description bar for all the products. Next, I'm going to go into concealer, and I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer and Foundation in the color Caramel. I'm going to use that in the corners of my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, you know, the normal highlighting areas. Now I'm going to contour, and I'm using the UOMA Beauty Woke Concealer. I don't remember what color it is, but this concealer is bomb. I usually use the actual concealer, but I ran out, so I had to use my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer. But nonetheless, I'm using this concealer to bronze, and then I'm just going to blend it out like normal. Look at that color. It's the color, it's the coverage, it's just everything for me. And this routine is, this is my summer routine, but I honestly do the same exact steps. I might change a little bit. I don't even know what I would change from fall to winter to spring to summer. Maybe the eyeshadow color, but yeah. This is a normal routine for me. So after I blend out my concealer, or no, my contour, I blend out my concealer because I like to let it sit so I can have the most coverage possible. If you notice, I blended out my contour first, and then I'm going to blend my concealer into my contour so it can be seamless. But this honestly is my favorite part of my makeup routine, is my nose contour. I'm just getting better and better at it, and it is going to take, if you haven't nose contour before, it's going to look really bad, and then it's going to look good. So you have to really trust the process with the nose contour. You have to trust the process with makeup in general, but definitely the process with a nose contour, because it is even when I'm doing it, and I've been doing it for a while now, I just still scare myself. So really just trust the process. Use less is more. I know it looked like it was a lot of concealer on my nose, which I mean it was, but that's because I know what I like. So when you first starting out, less is more, less is more, less is more with everything. You can always add, but you cannot take away, especially at this step. You might as well just go ahead and start your makeup over. So you see this blend. I am going to set my face with Old Faithful, the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I use, I think it's like the old, but like it's the actual regular formula translucent powder, no color, no nothing. And I literally put this everywhere, except on my contoured areas. But like I go in with this stuff because it really sets my makeup and makes it look flawless. So. And I do bake, but I also, before I do that, I press the translucent into my skin, into my makeup. So after that, I'm going to bronze up my face with this Morphe bronzer, which really surprised me. I didn't know I was going to like it, but I actually kind of like it. And I'm just going over that where you normally bronze. I really like to look bronzed. I love looking bronzed. That's my jam. See, look, ooh, look at that. I'm using that color contour, it's a contour palette, to contour and fix my nose. Not fix my nose, but like finish contouring my nose. And look at that nose, it's getting snatched. And I always go back in with my beauty blender and blend away like all the harsh lines and everything, because I don't know, that's just what I do. So I'm going to snatch this nose contour even more and clean it up with translucent powder. And I let this translucent powder sit like this. This is the only place that I really bake for real. And I also clean up my bronzer with translucent powder where you're seeing it right there. And I immediately, after cleaning up the bronzer, immediately, oh my gosh, immediately wipe the translucent powder away. So moving on to eyes, I'm using Jackie Aina ABH palette, and this is a one shadow eye look because I was very lazy, as I usually am with eyeshadow. So I think I'm using Sienna. I think that's the color. It's going to be either on the screen or in the description box of what color I'm using on my eyes. But I do the heaviest part, well, I blend the majority of the eyeshadow in my crease just to add like a little bit of definition. And then I blend the rest all over my eyelid. And also, this is perfect time to say, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I post every Thursday. I do post every Thursday and Sunday, but for the summertime, I have only been posting once a week, and it's Thursday at 4 p.m. Lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and family content will be coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe. So that's basically it. I highlighted my brow a little bit. And I brushed that away. So this Hydrate and Fix, if you have not gotten this, you need it in your life. It's a revolutionary Pro product, but it is so good. After I spray my face, I let it sit, and then I'm going to blush with Old Faithful. This is my tried and true favorite blush. It's called Songbird, and it's by BECCA Cosmetics. They are no longer in business, I want to say. I think they went bankrupt. I'm not sure, but I know I don't think they're selling this anymore. So eyelash time, and you don't need to see that because it's always an issue with my eyelashes. So yeah, lashes are on, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. Also, these are my lashes. I do have a lash line. It's called KOUTURE Beauty. If you are interested in the lashes, I will have a link down below. I don't have a Shopify, but you can DM me and we can get it popping. So moving on to lips, which is the last part for me. I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Luxe Lip Liner in Cocoa. Yeah. And then a NYX Butter Gloss. I want to say it's Madeline. Yeah, it's Madeline. And bam, look at them juicy lips. Okay. You love a juicy lip. Period. Last step is to spray my face. I'm using a Bakerie setting spray. This setting spray gets my face soaking wet. Look at that. So I let it sit for a second, and then I press very gently, very lightly with my beauty blender just to press the rest of that wet setting spray into my face. So, yep, that's it.
Alright guys, so that is the look. This is what I came up with. This is my very easy, quick, simple summer makeup look. Year-round makeup look for real. I always do this look. It's very, very simple, very easy. But it makes it look like you did something, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you liked about the video, and subscribe to this channel. I post every Thursday and Sunday at 4 p.m. And yeah, that's all I have for you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.